Welcome to the Greater Mood and Wellness channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video when we post them. Ready to get your glow on this summer? Today, I'm sharing my top 7 steps to achieve radiant, healthy skin all season long. Let's dive in. Step 1. Cleanse. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Choose one that suits your skin type for the best results. Step 2. Exfoliate. Exfoliation is key. Use a physical or chemical exfoliator 1 to 2 times a week to slough away dead skin cells and reveal a smoother texture. Step 3. Tone. After cleansing, apply a toner to balance your skin's pH and remove any leftover impurities. This preps your skin for the next steps. Step 4. Serum. Now it's time for your targeted treatment. Whether it's anti-aging, brightening, or hydrating, choose a serum that addresses your specific skin concerns. Step 5. Moisturize. Lock in all that goodness with a good moisturizer. This helps to seal in moisture, protect your skin, and improve its appearance. Step 6. Sunscreen. In the morning, always finish with a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. This shields your skin from harmful UV rays and prevents damage. Customize this routine to fit your skin type and needs. If you have sensitive skin, go for fragrance-free and hypoallergenic products. And remember, the correct order of application ensures optimal absorption. For an extra boost, consider adding a sheet mask or overnight treatment once or twice a week for extra hydration. And last but not least, if you have any skin concerns, be sure to consult a dermatologist. There you have it. Follow these steps and get ready to shine all summer long. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can also visit greatermood.com for more beauty tips. Stay glowing!